time for...
Tweet, tweet, tweet!
Do you hear a bird?
Tweet, tweet, tweet!
Come on.
Tweet, tweet, tweet!
Hey, Gil, it's time for...
It's time for this egg to hatch! Look! It's hatching!
Well, it's also time for...
Tweet, tweet, tweet! Come on, you can do it! Look! It's hatching!
Looks like it is time, Gil.
It's time, it's time, it's time! It's time for Bubble Guppies! Bubble Guppies, bubble, 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 guppy, guppy, guppy. Bubble, bubble, guppy, guppy. Bubble Guppies!
I'm Molly.
I'm Gil. I'm Bobby. I'm Dina. I'm Luna. I'm Nani. Bubble Puppies! Bubble Guppies, bubble, 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 guppy, guppy, guppy. Bubble, bubble, guppy, guppy. Bubble Guppies! Bubble Guppies! The spring chicken is coming! Hello! It's a butterfly. Come on!
Let's try it again, everybody.
Clap your wings, get your feet a kicking, peck that beak, you're a spring chicken. Bark, 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 bark,
That's a silly dance. They're flapping their wings and saying bok, bok, bok. What do you think they're pretending to be?
bark, bark.
Bok, 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 bok. Yeah, they're pretending to be chickens.
Terrific, everyone. Sounds great. Hello, Una.
Hello, Mayor. How come everyone is acting like chickens?
Because today is Spring Chicken Day. It's the day when the spring chicken comes and announces the arrival of spring. How are the flowers coming along, fellas?
Almost done, Mayor.
Those don't look like flowers.
Oh, they're not flowers yet, but they will be soon.
Would you like one, Una?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now, if you water that and give it plenty of sunshine, it will bloom into a pretty spring flower.
Really?
Excuse me, Mayor, how's this? Oh, that looks terrific! We'll see you later, Una. I have to make sure everything is perfect for when the spring chicken arrives. Bok, bok, bok!
Bok, bok, bok. Come on. Hello there. Hi. Hi. Hello. Good morning, Mr. Grouper.
Well, good morning, everyone.
Bok, 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 bok.
Hey, that's right. The spring chicken is coming. So flap your wings, get your feet a kicking, peck your beak, you're a spring chicken. Bok, bok.
Bok, 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 bok.
What you got there, Una?
It's going to be a flower.
It doesn't look like a flower.
I know. But if I water it and give it plenty of sunshine, it will bloom into a beautiful spring flower.
Spring is my favorite season.
What's a season? Seasons are different times of the year. Spring is the time of year that comes after winter.
That's right, Nani. Spring is a season, like summer, winter, and fall.
When it starts to get warm, and I don't have to wear my hat or my jacket, that means that spring is here.
What else happens in spring?
Let's think about what happens in the spring. In the springtime, you can see all the pretty
Flowers.